My title presently is Speculative Paleontology from Future Biology Artifact. So with my work, I'm trying to imagine future species that would evolve with objects and animals. For example, drone birds or military object like jet or a tank evolving with other animal and having a bone structure, biological structure inside. In my research right now, I'm looking at the manipulation of biology with synthetic. So we can speculate that the result of those research will be owned by the military industrial complex or private companies. What if in the future with climate change and all the change happening in the world, how will paleontologists in the future have to interpret all those object species that might evolve without humans and have a life of their own? And how we'll be able to interpret them in the future. I'm looking with like a dark side of what the future might become regarding all the manipulation of biology we do today. The impact that I imagine from this work is using the dark side of this history, a speculative future. Maybe we can actually incite in people some awareness, like a cautionary tale. I'm hoping that people will be able to reflect on what they are doing right now, what we are doing right now with the manipulation of biology, and maybe think more ethically about the manipulation we are doing. For my thesis show, I'm looking to present imitations of what we can see in natural history museum, like remnants of bones or imitation of bones in earth or in the ground or in the soil, along with like collections of maybe drone birds, like in ornithology collection. They will have a series of birds with tagged information, and also with a paper installation where I would mix objects of like a drone, paper feathers, like a mix of drone and a bird. So I'm trying to imagine those hybrid species and also have some interpretation, like in a natural history museum, of how they look at those remnants. I really enjoyed at Stamps using the CNC machine. That was a first for me, and that was a great moment to have access to this kind of equipment. I also really enjoy like the studio space. We have individual studios, but we also have a big hall that, for me, I like being in this space because it allows for possibilities. There's potential in there.